Alright, hey, this is how we get to play along at home using the stream recording from Toby's Monday Live. We'll give these challenges a go. If I do reasonable, we'll post the video. Alright, I'll pause now. Start again when we hit the challenges.
2, 1, go. What is the mass of this part? It's 0.xxx pounds.
Here we go.
Inches and pounds. I know you guys love it.
This.
Inches. I try to include any inches.
Nice.
I try to make everything in
Just get the side profile right, hey?
I kept saying, come on, we love inches. Do more stuff with inches.
I hate inches.
Trying to,
Oh.
Smallest ball being extended. It's made out of 10 steel, 2,700 kilograms per cubic meter. It's a tier 5 part. When I made this part, I was thinking this was going to be on the front end of the show, so I would try to make it a lower tier. But it just kind of kept growing, and my mind kept saying, "Oh, what about this? What about this? I can put this here, put a rib here, put a add a fillet on here, make this an end." And before I knew it, I was up to
Nice one.
where it's a tier 5 model. One of those pieces required tier 5 model. So give it a look, give it a try. If there's any missing dimensions or anything, just kind of assume what they are. Like for example, in the front view, there's a radius called out of 0.75, and then there's a 0.25 wall thickness. Well, that 2.25 wall thickness is the same running up the vertical wall and running across the horizontal wall and then running up the final vertical. So I think it's a pretty safe bet that that outside radius is 0.75 plus the wall. Little things like that. I'm not trying to throw any tricks at you. Not at least for this first half.
Mm-hmm.
But if you're here for the first time, what you want to be doing is screen capture of the script. Pushing that screen capture.
2 from that. God damn.
Directly into the YouTube chat. We're going to take a look at that YouTube chat when it's all said and done. We're going to try to figure out who was able to get that correct. And that person will win a point on the TTT. No tag net today. Yes, I mentioned. No tag net today. That is correct.
Not the best way here. Just trying to put all these locators in.
Alright, let's get back into
Let's see if this is any good.
Continue with today's presentation.
Do that one, I'll do that one.
Yeah, I checked it too. I don't know if you went to the URL. But
and
tag.net. Here it is, tag.net.
1.25.
I did want to buy it. I couldn't. And then it's just like this one single
And then
thing
what's just
probably
that section?
on the back end, you have the right URL. Hang.net/admin.
Another 1.25.
I thought maybe I'd get one.
Yeah.
But yeah, it looks like Tang.net unfortunately is taken, so we're not gonna
Let's get a full round going here.
use that. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Nice.
So that's alright. It was fun. That was a fun fantasy life.
And that is going.
Maybe one day we'll go back and
Just extrude it. 0.75. Wrong way.
Support the channel is to like and subscribe. And look at it here on TV. 31 people watching right now.
How is it?
Get
Yeah,
that.
fix that.
31.
Sizes.
Let's get 31 now. Oh, 33 people watching now.
Need to go
33 people.
inch.
Let's see what we can do to get
375.
up to
65. 25. Position.
1-to-1 ratio on the likes. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I love it.
Okay, that's good.
Growing the channel, spreading good word through YouTube, letting people know how fun it is to compete, so that we can get better and better.
About that rib. Any details? 45.
Don't forget to share and reshare. Go up to a coworkers while they're right in the middle.
Another rib on the underside.
And whisper in their ear.
Are they in the same place?
Have you heard of Tang?
Yeah.
Oh no, don't say that. Say, hey, have you heard of Too Tall Toby?
Oh, not that.
Have you heard of model number 9? Make sure.
It's 15.
Log in Monday is what he's like about fishing. If you want to see how fast you are at tab, if you want to see
1
faster than the rest of the 2 Tall Toby,
and 0.5. This is going to be extrude thin. Shit. Let's complete the shapes.
We can help you out. We can help you out with your training requirements for you and for your team. So let them know. We got the sorts.
Okay. Now here we go. They are
Super Chat. Super Chat is available in the YouTube channel.
in the middle.
Send us back some support. Say, hey, we really like what you're doing here, Toby. We really want this to continue. This is how we're going to show it. This is how we're going to
It's going to be 0.25. It's going to be offset that far. It's going to be mid-plane. That. Now we've got some shapes here. Got a 0.625. Radius on this one. And a hold. 0.5 through.
So in the world of 2010, what's going on?
And another shape here.
I think we have our next tournament coming up. The date is scheduled.
This is interesting here. 15.
Don't hold me to this, but I think it's October 18th. I gotta look, but the finals are going to be October 18th, I think. And if that date holds true, then we're going to be running registration here either late next month or early in June. Give us enough time to do 2 or 3 months of registration, and then we're going to go live with the
Radius. Not sure about this.
Spring open, and that seemed to work out really well.
How's that look?
It's going to have more difficult models. It's
Hmm.
going to have
Maybe.
Sheet metal will be in there.
It could be done here. 0.284. 0.284 at 17.15.
This is going to be good. Look at Ace coming in the next one already. And AaronC. Wow. That's
What did I say? 17.15.
so last year, the World Championship.
Oof, AaronC, very quick.
We started in July, and we went all the way to November. That's a little bit of a long stretch. I mean, I like it. I like it with 32 people. I like how it kind of keeps going. I feel like maybe 16 is the sweet spot.
All right, that looks pretty good. Oh no, that hole's wrong. I did the hole through the wrong side, but that is not actually a problem here because of the Victor exploit.
I've been watching the April leaderboard. Things are heating up. I actually left the last few submissions up there. I haven't gone through and approved them all yet.
Wow.
Man. I think that
All right, let's pause it here and wait to see the results. Answer time.
The correct answer is 0.284 pounds.
Boom.
And that means that AaronC is going to be our big winner of the first point.
Time was 17.15.
To AaronC.
AaronC.
Congratulations, AaronC.
Bloody quick.
Those points could not have gone to a nicer person.
15 minutes. 2 minutes before me.
Nice job.
Nice work.
Nice job.
Next one, let's go.
2.
Here we go.
You guys, wait, before I show this one,
Oh.
you guys, that's what you're gonna like. You guys are gonna like this one. I was thinking about you guys a lot when I made this one.
All right, mate.
You're really gonna enjoy this. It's got a lot of fun notes on it. Here we go. This next challenge begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
Jesus.
What is the mass of this part?
At least it's millimeters.
Plus or minus 2 grams. Pretty big tolerance on this part, considering how few significant digits we have here. So, what is the mass of 66 grams?
Alright, looks fun.
2 grams.
Like the shape.
Notes. The ribs
Let's
touch
go.
The circular bosses at tangent. So you can kind of see that when you're looking down from the top view. And
Mm.
I've illustrated that in the detail view over on the left. This is a Nick Hull power move tree. Yeah, exactly.
This is very good.
Ribs note number 2, the ribs start and end at the same height as the circular bosses. And you'll notice those 3 circular bosses
24.
are different heights. So be aware.
24 diameter.
You've got these 3 circular bosses. They all look the same from the top and down, but they are not the same height.
Holes. Don't need them.
So good luck on that one. I think I've built in enough tolerance that I know that
150.
you know, particularly for the lower, like where the rib comes down and touches off on the lower boss.
35.
There should be some ambiguity with regards to how that connection takes place. I think I built in enough
55.
tolerance to account for that ambiguity. So there's basically
Big hole in the middle.
do it, and if you do it either way,
33.
within tolerance.
Let's draw the other holes.
There was a little bit
50.
more play, so I tried to remove
65.
by including that detailed view on the far left.
I really like this one.
Notice that detailed view. Also the detailed
Geometry.
view, the isometric view.
Nothing too crazy.
As to how
Let's
to
go.
knock it, how to knock it out of
8.
step. Those are meant to, to illustrate to you what's going on with that top face. So, good luck to everybody. Another tier 5 part. This could really probably be bumped into tier 6.
Ooh,
Depending on how you do
perfect for me, mate. 33.
Right between tier 5 and tier 6. So, I thought this would be a fun one for everyone.
Absolutely fun.
Not
Yeah.
that many dimensions, but some pretty cool geometry. Yeah.
Great geometry.
The ribs are centered on that center line. There's another note there. I can use that note.
24s. What's the holes through?
I do want to make sure we have enough time. AaronC.
9 mil through all.
Coming in
Yeah.
with some super chat. Thank you so much, AaronC.
Let's go up 14.
Love super chat. You very much appreciate it. Thank you.
Let's get those holes done.
It goes a long way.
We are metric
Think Aaron
sizes. 9 through 16, 7
See how long it lasts.
positions.
We're trying
1,
our best to keep the doors open. We couldn't get anyone to sign up
2,
for the training class last week. I'm sorry, that's not true. We had one
3.
person sign up for it.
Holes done. Ribs. These ribs are tricky. Center on center line. Ribs touch circular bosses at tangent. Ribs start and end at the same height as circular bosses.
Hopefully we can keep going. We just gotta keep spreading the word. We gotta keep growing the shit.
Oh, that top one's height of 12. That's fine. Let's move that face down.
I got so many students. I can't even
Read the notes. Good reminder. And this one is 16. Let's move that one up too.
All right, guys. Let's move on here.
I think I got those right.
I think I'm gonna say it's my favorite from CAD program. I don't like to take it.
These ribs. How are we going to do it? Multi-body.
Honestly, that is for sure. Yo, Jason, O in the chat. What's up, my man? Thank you.
Let's
so
do
much.
it. Multi-body.
Super chat. Let's go. We appreciate that.
Split.
Very, very helpful. Very much
Split.
appreciated, and definitely goes along with
Construction.
keeping this train moving forward. So thank you so much for being in the
That's
chat.
going to come up to mid-plane. Rib size is 7.
Yeah.
Rib.
Exactly.
That's here. 7. Rib height up to here. Unmerge. And now
We're going to try and do it in about 10 minutes. So we're gonna go through
rib so circular bosses at tangent.
to this model, so let's get into this here. It's on sheet 3D modeling live solve / tutorial.
Touch of the tangent. I'm just trying to see the images here. I'm going to zoom in. Tolerance is ±2, so maybe I don't have to worry about it too much. And just get it done.
And so for me, when I'm looking at this model, the first thing that kind of jumps out at me is the idea of evolve. And
like
the
here.
that jumps out at me is because I can look at this.
Maybe I can just cut that.
Kind of imagine that aside from those extra legs that are sticking out, the cross section is going to look something like this. Come up like this, it's going to have this little, and then we're going to have a center line.
Yeah, cut that through.
So for the majority of the part, aside from these,
will this be close enough?
Here, we're going to be able to revolve, and we're going to be able to create that kind of upper flange, the lower flange, the whole.
Like it looks pretty close.
All that geometry.
So maybe we can do it that way.
Using revolve features.
This
So
time,
takes care of the majority of the part, and that
cut there,
kind of tricky,
split,
is this area
split,
going around these,
for construction.
outer feet here, these areas.
These on the lines.
On the outside, and the answer to what's going wrong with this
Extrude,
is really this section,
mid-plane,
this section here passes
up to
through
surface,
this section right here is passing through
unmerge,
the center of the part,
cut,
and then this region over here,
shape.
I've got this tangent, and then
Let's just get my line weight.
and it's got a radius of 37.
Corner,
And then we can also see down here on
intersect.
this view, the way the part is rendered and just kind of seeing the different views here.
Okay.
This is clearly not a flat face. There's clearly
Extrude
curvature
cut.
on this face. And that curvature is running around.
Through there, and
this
last
direction
one.
as well. So what that tells me is that this region here also needs to be revolved. So it's kind of like
Line,
revolved and then it gets cut from the bottom.
split,
And with
split.
some of the
There's definitely quicker ways of doing this,
maybe it makes sense to just create that geometry
but
first.
we are in a rush. AaronC's already done it. He's too fast.
And I think that's a fine strategy as well.
Up to surface, unmerge. Oh, mid-plane. Anyway. Oh, we put that on the wrong face. That one. Move that out. Let's try and cut it now. Line, line.
Sometimes that's what you gotta do. You gotta like build the tricky geometry first.
Cut through.
Weird shape here first. The weird tricky
Merge
shape.
everything.
And have that easier to imagine, easier to visualize.
Answer 893.1. Time 46:27. 46:27. Let's see how we go. I'll pause here, and that was a bloody good challenge. I'll pause here, come back when the answer's revealed. Answer time. Here we go.
Let's see the answers up here. It was AaronC, 893. Wow. This fun part. Nice. Ace coming in, 893. Gray coming in. What's up, Gray? Great to see you in here. 891. Let's see here. Phosphor, 893. Very nice. Bjorn, 893. I like it. VVV, 890. I like it. DG, 893. Stu, 893. And Gray, revising to 893. Very nice. And Amir coming in 893 as well. Guys, the correct answer for this one is
Boom.
893.
Nice one, guys.
893 is the correct
Thanks for the stream, Toby, and the challenges.
So, well done to everyone.
See you next time.